Both Terra Luna Classic and Ripple's XRP are filled with extremely committed communities. Communities that are committed to not only watching their blockchains develop and grow, but watching the prices of those underlying assets develop and grow as well. So we're going to be focused on a couple things in this video. We're going to be looking at the proposals, yes, the proposals that we've been looking at over the last couple of days and essentially weeks for Terra Luna Classic here, and how those proposals stand in terms of who's voting for what. And I also want to focus a little bit on Ripple's XRP and a potential IPO. An IPO in the stock market that could have an effect on the overall price of XRP as well. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, first, since we don't have any new proposals for Terra Luna Classic out there, I'm going to go and summarize the current ones, and then I want to talk about some of the comments that I had on the previous video. Right now, the 6 Samurai, this Layer 1 development team, is not passing. This proposal ends tomorrow on October 9th, and it is currently sitting at a majority no vote with 12% yes, 53% no, 26.2% no with veto, and 8% of all of the Terra Luna Classic voted for voting to abstain. Now, we still have not yet met quorum. A total of 386 billion Terra Luna Classic has been voted for, but it seems that the overwhelming majority right now is going to be voting for no on that proposal right there. Proposal to blacklist that 800 million USTC wallet is not gaining a lot of traction, actually. And this proposal ends on October 12th, so we still have plenty of time. There's about 4 days left before this one is over with. There's 32% yes votes, 19% no votes, 46% no with veto, and only 1% voting to abstain. That proposal has also not yet met quorum. Now, if you're looking at this community burn aid request, that exchanges add a burn trade option to LUNC pairs with monthly report. This is basically being added again. We just saw this proposal not pass, and it is now ending on October 15th as well. So somebody really trying hard to get that proposal to pass right there. But are there any votes on this one yet? It's like brand new. Let's see where we're at here. You guys scroll all the way down. Okay, so one validator has voted yes, 425 million Terra Luna Classic voted yes, and then literally everything else is 0 votes there. So brand new proposal on that one. I believe it was just updated as I refreshed that page, making this video because I know it was not on there before. So that's what you've got going on in terms of Terra Luna Classic. One thing that I do want to touch on is that in the last video, I had a lot of comments that people bought into Terra Luna Classic not necessarily because it's the future of decentralized money, or that they believe it can replace the current monetary system, but because it was so cheaply priced. Terra Luna Classic, being a layer 1 blockchain with the potential to go back up to prices that we have seen in the past, it is providing that lottery ticket type of play. With the current market cap, Terra Luna Classic can easily see 10, 20, 30, 50x gains over the coming bull market if things begin to be rebuilt. And the majority of the people that commented on yesterday's video are investing in Terra Luna Classic because of its price appreciation potential. Now, speaking of price appreciation potential, I want to talk very briefly about Ripple's XRP. Now, XRP, we know this, and we know that the price of XRP has been just massively subdued based on the SEC's litigation with Ripple, and of course that court case has come to an end, and their appeal was denied. Now, a lot of people, it says recently, the XRP community has been abuzz about XRP's price and how it would react in an eventual situation that Ripple goes public via an initial public offering. Now, I'm going to skip a couple parts here, but it says Jones proposed a $5.7 billion valuation on the potential stock, setting the individual share price at roughly $35 based on Linkto platform data. Meanwhile, Jones believed that $5.7 billion is greatly conservative. The expert argued that a $107 billion valuation stemming from Ripple's XRP's holdings and the value in which Coinbase has debuted. In this scenario, a Ripple stock would be 20 times higher than the value during the interview, putting it at around $600 per share. Now, this goes on to say, how will XRP's price react? Mixed consensus. A lot of people believe that if if Ripple's IPO or if Ripple's stock price were to shoot up, XRP would shoot up exponentially as well. Now, I pose a question here. Will it be the same investors? Who's going to be investing in the stock versus who's going to be investing in XRP as a cryptocurrency? If people are moving their money out of XRP and into Ripple's IPO, you could of course see XRP fall as the IPO rises in price. And the exact opposite could be true. If people are moving out of the stock, eventually making gains there and into XRP, it could I guess inflate the price of XRP and deflate the price of Ripple's IPO. Now, if it's completely separate, I don't think that the two are going to be correlated, and that's yet to be seen. You know, who's going to be investing in what, in a determination of whether or not Ripple's price is going to go up, or XRP's price is going to go up as Ripple's price goes up. So these are just some things to think about as the future unfolds here. I do believe we will see an IPO by Ripple, and I do believe that that $5 billion valuation is extremely conservative. Guys, Ripple is on the forefront of blockchain, I guess, international transactions. It could eventually be a $1 trillion company. So I would be very interested in buying Ripple or their stock at a $5 billion valuation. I want to know about you. Would you eat up Ripple's stock at a $5 billion valuation, or do you think that that might be a little heavy based on today's bear market environment that we are currently sitting in? Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments below, because I absolutely believe there's so much potential as soon as things kind of calm down in the overall political space, in the overall economy, and we finally begin to see some growth again. I think that these prices will absolutely grow along with it. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. You guys got 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.